Adaptiv Networks creates a better network experience. Our SD-WAN solutions provide seamless failover to eliminate downtime. Our Teams Call Failover demo shows how Adaptiv SD-WAN keeps video calls connected through link outages.
We're going to be focusing on today. So let me show you the device I've got in my hands here. Well, it's in my hands, you don't see it yet, but it's right here. So this is a small tabletop device, an Adaptiv Edge E40. So this is a underlay 4-port capable device. So let me turn to the back to see what we've got. So what we have here is this is my LAN port. This is what powers my house right now. I'm working from home. My house being sort of a branch office, and I've got my fiber link, my 1 gigabit per second link here, and that's the sole link that is connected right now to this box. Now, of course, right now, if I was to unplug my fiber link, I would, of course, lose you because there would be no more capability, no more link to provide the payload, to support for the payload. So let me add that orange little cable here, which is an LTE device. So it's an LTE internet connection. So I'm plugging that in. So now I have 2 links. Now, the way I've configured that is that this is my primary link. So now that I'm actually using 2 links, this is the primary link. This is the backup link. Okay, and all the traffic, as you saw, was, of course, transiting over the yellow Ethernet port, because here, that's my internet, and that was the only one that was connected a minute ago. Now, what I will now do is simulate a failure of my primary link, and I will do that now. This link, you will notice, probably, it's very short, it's only 100 to 300 milliseconds, you will notice a short glitch in my voice and in the video. But of course, nothing happened, everything's still fine, and the internet is still going on. And why that was possible is that, let me replug back in. This time you will not see any form of glitch. The reason why that is possible is because what Adaptiv Networks does is that we fully virtualize those 2 links. So effectively, these 2 links from an application perspective are seen as one virtual link with its own layer 3 addressing. So the flows are never broken. What that means is that from a Teams perspective, my computer or whatever services were running on my computer, they didn't see an actual outage. And there was no need to change the IP addressing or any layer 2 information to switch from one to the other link. All this is a little bit of packet drops, because of course there were some packets into a UDP stream here. There were some packets being transmitted. So when I unplugged the link, some packets were dropped. But ultimately, it was fundamentally seamless.
Adaptiv Networks creates an unbreakable internet experience that eliminates downtime with seamless failover and no dropped calls. But that's just one of the many great features of Adaptiv SD-WAN. To get a better network experience, contact us today at adaptiv-networks.com.